Hello friends, today we are going to draw Envy the pumpkin, from Inside Out 2. Let's start by making the pumpkin. Envy is a very cute character, right? Very good. You are doing a good job. Now we will draw the eyes. Envy has very big and expressive eyes. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss any of these fantastic drawings. Then we will draw her mouth, which is very small. Ups! Let's not forget the eyebrows. It's time to paint. It's my favorite part. Envy has a slightly different color. This color is called aquamarine. This is a very light blue-green color. My favorite color is blue. And what is yours? Purple. And her lips are bright red. What a fun drawing! You draw very well.